Driving in a snowstorm. This is how it looks like. And I'm on my four-wheel drive right now because it won't work without the four-wheel drive. I'm close. Hi. Hello. See how it runs like. Ah. So here we are. The second snow of the month. Second snowstorm. If you're driving a two-wheel drive car, you can't get out of this mess unless you have a 4x4 all-wheel drive. Oh, wow. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up. Whoa. Holy smoke, walang kumakayo dito. Walang asin. I'm almost there. Almost. Oh, I love this. I love when it's snowing. Oh my god. Look at our street. There's no plow truck. There's no salt truck. Nothing. This is accumulating like more than 2 inches. Okay, I'm close. I'm close. Okay, I'm here.